All right. Onward, upward. This looks like smooth
Whipped butter.
whipped butter.
Whipped butter.
So it's license plate stuff, and or not the license.
Battery tray and fuel
Battery
tank.
tray and gas tank. We'll build some rods. This could be custom here.
Yeah, I'm going to put sleeves on them now.
So we're starting our day over now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
This morning, pure insanity. Man, hit the road.
Yeah. Yeah, it was fun.
I didn't go for a ride, so you
He wasn't
survived.
bad. He wasn't bad.
He wasn't bad. Didn't scare you. Oh.
So.
Okay, so getting this, and then we'll spend the day.
Yeah, because we're going to take
You're
it up
racing. You're going racing tomorrow.
Yeah, my little nephew.
Tracker,
Yeah.
11-year-old is gonna a big weekend of racing.
Yeah, they got 4 nights of racing, but his class is only going to be Thursday and Friday.
Oh, okay.
So.
Well, we'll have it. Looks like Daryl's gonna have that 34 ready for Monday.
Good deal.
We're gonna get whipped butter
Uh-huh.
on the frame today before you go.
Yep. Yeah.
That's a doable.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And we don't need it. I can pick it with the lift.
Yeah.
Pick it up, set it down. I can guide it down. Yeah. Put bolts in it.
We'll move cars, get them all moved around, and we'll be ready for Monday.
Yep. Yeah.
Dave looks like he's working away, getting Henry's hot rod red. Looks red. It doesn't look like it has clear on it yet, but it definitely looks red. So we're moving ahead with that one, and I'm gonna move into the body shop and do some sanding. Eye candy.
Eye candy.
So these are rubber mounts, motor mounts, off of old GM, probably
68 Corvette.
68 Corvette.
Yeah.
A lot of other ones, but 68 Corvette.
Yeah.
So I got mine on.
Yeah.
He's getting his on. And the trans mount, we use the single. They have a single and a double hole, but the hole's in the frame or the bracket, so it's got a stud coming out. So we'll go ahead and put this underneath.
Yep.
Mount up under there.
Yeah.
And then we'll put the motor and the trans together. Put it on our little cart, and it can head up to the other shop.
Yep.
So we'll get some bolts for that. We got a flex plate we got to put in.
Yep.
We got the
Torque converter.
torque converter right there.
Yep.
Put a little bit of oil in it before you put it in.
Yep.
And then get that lined up. What do we got here?
Well, I know that's dipstick tube. I don't know what all that other stuff's for.
Can't be important.
If they got pictures, I can tell you.
Oh, okay. We got pictures. We're good to go. Anyway, eye candy.
Eye candy.
Motor meets trans. Motor trans meets chassis. Chassis meets body.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, okay, you get this together, then we're going to go over there and we're going to get.
Put that on Milner Chrome.
It's not the Milner clone. What is it?
Whipped butter.
Whipped butter. Whipped butter is going to go on. Man, we got it moved out of its spot. Clean up over there. Look at this. Woo! So Gibby drug this down. You see that big fancy cabinet?
Yeah, he said we're gonna put it up
From
on
upstream, we're gonna put it
rack
on-
with some shelves underneath it.
And
I
that-
told him don't make it too high. I'm a midget.
But this will be all for all our stuff.
Yes. Yes.
For the chrome
Yes.
spraying machine.
Yes. Yes.
And now we got this area cleaned up. That's
Clean
got
it all up, set
that's
it
got a
up.
cover. Let's put the cover on. It'll actually look like we're like.
Let's wash that cover.
That's even better.
I'm in a
Make it-
cleaner mood right now.
Me too. I want everything clean.
I
Like
wiped that cabinet all clean, got it nice.
everything clean, same color. Even this cabinet back to either. Since this can't be 3M.
It could use some love.
Well, we paint it and we'll pinstripe all this stuff like we're cool.
Ooh.
Well, yeah. Why not? Because we're cool.
Woo!
Ooh, look at this.
Henry's hot rod.
Henry's hot rod.
Come to life.
So Henry supplied the paint. Look at that. That looks good.
Is that pretty slick or what?
That is slick.
Ain't gonna take much buffer on that baby.
Man, look at that.
That laid down really good.
Resale red. What color is this?
Victory!
Wow.
Look at inside there, the floor, what he wanted, the
painting.
sneakers, the gems, the niceness. Beautiful.
It is.
Came out nice.
It did. Looks good.
Yep. I told it I was gonna kick his ass, and I did.
Wow.
Yeah, you want that?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
All right, so move some stuff around. It's cooling down. I do cool weather way better than I do hot.
Cool's good, but cold isn't.
Well,
Then you know
yeah.
our old bodies don't like cold and they don't like hot.
My body works in the cold. It like locks up and
Yeah, my
lets it quit.
arthritis kicks in, my knees and back, my zachyrigolis and all that, starts hurting.
All right, so we move things around.
When we hook the trailer up to your truck, back you up over here, hook it to my truck, we'll get that up there, get it trending
Would you
tonight,
mind?
or you want to wait till tomorrow?
No, do you mind put it on my truck?
I'll load you up and get it on there.
We'll move it on there today because we want to move these up there too.
Okay.
I'm killing Daryl over there. I got to kill the radio every time I video. But what happens if I don't? I get busted for copyright, and they don't mess with it. YouTube will kick you off. So we missed it. I was over there moving stuff around. But you got give me some kind of advice here how to put this together.
Well, I don't know. I just kind of balance everything out because I'm usually by myself, so I kind of
Right.
crib everything, balance it, and it goes together.
Make sure it goes together.
Yeah.
Because you can get it. You can get it almost together.
Right.
And then if you try to, if that's not going to go together, and you squeeze it, you're going to crack.
Well, sometimes the torque converter gets a little bit of an angle, and it'll cock in the back of the crankshaft. It'll actually push the crank, the rear main out of it. I've seen that before.
So yeah, so you got to be careful.
Yeah, yeah,
So make sure everything lines up and it goes together easy.
yeah.
If you get it almost close and it ain't going, and you think you
Yeah.
can tighten it up with the bolts, see how that goes all the way tight there just by moving it
It's on
around.
the pin, so.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there's a lot of people don't do this either. You have to check the distance of the torque converter. Like, it only allows you so much slop room in there.
Right.
If you've got a half inch,
Oh,
you got to
for
pull that
shim.
torque
Yeah, yeah.
converter forward. You got to shim that from the flex plate.
Which is
That's
like what we're going to have to do, putting the mid plate in that Hemi.
the Hemi, yeah, Hemi Beach car.
Hemi B's car, so we'll have to shim that torque
Yeah.
converter so it's not got a lot of
Yeah.
slop in there.
Dave's back there doing hand signals. It's like he's a landing.
I was not making fun of Gibby and his iron signal.
Okay.
And everybody says pre-fill the torque converter, pre-fill the torque converter. I can never get them to take anything, and it makes a mess putting it on.
Well, you got a mess.
Yeah.
Oh, he's cleaned most of it up.
Yeah, you didn't see it before.
Okay, well, what we have here is eye candy
Yeah.
fixing to go up to the other Trinity.
What I like to see is you got a little...
Okay, is it secure?
Yep.
It's not gonna fall down, is it?
Seems to hold on better, Gibby. You know what? It did pull off.
It did?
It was right here. On your rocker right here. See this here, Gibby?
Yeah.
On your
Oh,
side.
yeah. Yours too.
Oh, it did?
Is that tape still on there?
Yep.
That's tape still on there, I think.
No, that's yellow paste, dude.
All right, I had to get under here. It didn't pull off. That's yellow tape.
Hey, it scared me for a minute.
Well, the car's yellow, so we see yellow tape. He freaks out.
Yeah, he freaks out.
Can't blame him.
All right, so moving the chassis underneath the body, right?
Roll it right under there.
Run them over.
Okay, now come forward a little bit.
All right, so are we in the neighborhood here?
Yeah. Right there. All right, it'll make it.
Hold
there,
on,
Gibby.
hold on. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, easy though. Don't let all the pressure off.
Oh, look at that. So we got the hole in the right spot?
What do you think?
Go forward.
Do you see the body holes? Let me get a pin.
Yeah.
A
I'm
drip
close. I need
pin.
to go forward, Gibby. Need to go forward about a half an inch.
Starting to look a little more like a hot rod here.
I got two holes. Which hole you using?
I don't
The
know.
front hole's lining up right now for me.
Let's look in the back. I think we got to go forward.
This is the day Nick has been waiting
we gotta
for.
go forward to the next hole, I think.
It's hitting on the pedals or something.
No.
They go forward. You want it?
Right frame.
All right, looks like a hot rod.
I'm gonna straddle the pieces.
So we're gonna take the red frame up to the other building. I don't think that it is.
Okay, you straddle.
It's definitely not sold yet. So we're gonna take that up there. But this one here is for sale.
Full orange crush
It's
out of
red
there.
chassis. So if anybody's looking for a T-bucket, there's a good start on it.
I like orange crush.